This is Math 043 point slope formula video. In the last lesson, I went over slope intercept form, which was y equals mx plus b. Point slope formula is just another way to write linear equations. The line with slope m passing through the point x1, y1 is given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is the point slope formula because the point is x1, y1, and the slope is m. This formula can be used as another way to find equations of lines when given a point and a slope, and then you can solve for y and put the equation in slope-intercept form. Number 1, write an equation of a line that has a slope of 2 and passes through the point 3, 1. So if we're going to use point slope form, we would write it as y minus 1 is equal to 2 times x minus 3. Now we will solve this for y. Distribute the 2 and then add the 1. Just to parallel this with what we learned in the last lesson of y equals mx plus b, which is slope-intercept form, we would substitute in the values that we know. Solve for b, and then rewrite the equation with the slope and the y-intercept. You can decide which way you would like to do your work because all lines will be written in slope-intercept form for your final answers. Example 2. Write an equation of a line that passes through the point 2, negative 2, and 4, negative 4, 1. Well, we need a slope. Whenever you're given 2 points, you're pretty much going to have to find the slope. Now you can decide which point you would like to use. It doesn't matter because both of the points are on the line. Just so that my work makes a little more sense, I'm going to use negative 4, 1, because I'm afraid if I use the other point, which both has 2's in it, it would be harder to follow. So if I use point slope, I would have y minus 1 is equal to negative 1/2 times x minus negative 4. A minus minus would be a plus. So I will distribute the negative 1/2 and then add the 1 to both sides. And there's my final answer. Example 3. Write an equation of a line that is parallel to y equals x plus 3 passing through the point 5, negative 4. The only thing we need from the equation of the line that is given is the slope, and the slope is 1. It is parallel, so they have the same slope, and they're going through the point 5, negative 4. We're going to use point slope here, so we'd have y minus negative 4, and a minus minus makes a plus. The slope is 1, and then it's x minus the x value. Solving for y, we would subtract 4 from both sides, and negative 5 minus 4 is negative 9. And finally, number 4, write an equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 3x and passes through the point 6, negative 9. The slope of the line that is given is 3, but we need the slope that is perpendicular. Perpendicular slopes have opposite reciprocals, so this would be negative 1/3. Going through the point 6, negative 9, I'm going to use point slope. So that is going to be y minus negative 9, and a minus minus makes it a plus, is equal to the slope times x minus the x value. And subtract 9 from both sides. So there's the equation of the line. So this was a short video on point slope form. Feel free to use either slope intercept or point slope form.